Morning. So I've spent the last few hours setting up this reverse camera, and I'll kind of show you what I got going on here. But you can see this is where the head unit's going to go for the stereo. And then back here in the back, the license plate will go right here on this bracket here. So this is where it would have been. So I put a camera in there. And when I come around here, then you can see that's off. So I'm going to turn the key on to the run position. And there's the radio. Then I'm going to put it in reverse. One click. And there you go. And you got to remember, I've got the truck up in the air. So once this thing's back on the ground, you should be able to see the driveway and stuff. But I don't know, it's more of a look thing. I just don't see a lot of people using this. But since it came with the stereo, I went ahead and put it in there. But put it back in park, and it goes back to normal. So with that, the reverse is installed. Sweet. Later.